Next up, we have a super quick and heatless style for you. We're with Leighanne Regan, the owner of Renew Salon in Leicester, showing us all the best festival hair hacks. Give your hair a good brush using a hair rehab BUNS and paddle brush to remove any knots, and add a spritz of Collab dry shampoo. Begin by sectioning your hair into 2. Next, take 3 sections from the nape of the neck and start boxer braiding your hair up until you reach just above the ear height and secure with a clear elastic band. You can then tie the remaining hair into a mini bun just for now. Attach your hair rehab BUNS and top knot hairpiece onto your mini bun and pull the drawstring to tighten. Tuck that drawstring up into the bun to conceal and use just a couple of hair grips to secure in place, and then repeat on the other side. Finally, add a spritz of Mark Hill's 10-in-1 Wonder Spray to hold any stray hairs in place. If you would like a personal colour match from one of our team, please get in touch via www.hairrehablondon.com.